1 years old. 1 year old. 1 years old. 1 year old pala. I will give her I will give her like $20. I will give her $20, guys. Just kidding. That's what you asked. Like that, yes. You have a daughter. No! I don't have daughter, guys. Like, I will give that kid money because I'm her, ano. I don't have daughter, guys. I don't know what that English eh. Ano ba English ng inaanak, Prince Josh? Here in the Philippines, we give money to the kids, guys. Ah, goddaughter. Oh, goddaughter. Yun pala yun, goddaughter, guys. Yes, goddaughter. But not my daughter, guys, ha? Not my daughter. Hi, LBRT. Shall we? May, ano, I don't spend too much money on. Ooh, okay. May I spend, guys, on my family like that. Adopted. No, Prince Josh, hindi adopted yun. Ay, lagba ako. Oo, godfather, good mother. Good mother. Do you know that? Diego and, ano, Donnie. The godmother, goddaughter, godson, godfather, mother, like that. Hi, Cookie. Guys, magbabanlaw na ako ng hair. Did you? Hello. Yes. Oh, yes, yes. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I have goddaughter. Guys, magbal kayo, guys. DJAF, my friend. Oh, Cookie is your friend, DJAF. Please follow me, Cookie. How are you? Wow. That's your friend. Totoo ba? You from US too, Cookie? Follow me, guys. Ay, gagi. Si ano ba to? Cookie, Tagalog ka ba, Cookie? Thank you for the follow, Diego. Follow you back. Hello. Hindi, parang kilala ko si Cookie, guys. Eh. Si Engineer ba to? Engineer, ikaw ba yun? Hi, cock mo. Hoy, Cookie. Ikaw ba si Engineer? Gagi. Tagalog ka ba? Tagalog ka ba, Cookie? Totoo ba? Bilis na. Nalilito ako. Ay, ano hindi? Totoo ba? Hindi ka ba si, ano? Wait lang. Hi, Keisha. Kung Tagalog si Cookie, di sana biscuit yung pangalan niya. Anong biscuit? Cookie nga, cookies eh. Di ba, cookies? Nakalimutan mo lang ako. Siguro. Siguro nga, di ba? Dami naman, guys. Oh my gosh. Joke lang. Bahala ka dyan, mata.